So here we have Betrayal, a House on the Hill, strategy board game, and we will see what's included in this box, what you expect if you were to get this. So this board game pretty much is a 36 player board game that can be up to 1 hour of playtime. This is the age group that's recommended for, and let's see what's included in this box. So we have, of course, the rule book, very in-depth, lots of game scenarios you can play. The Trader's Tome, with more scenarios in the game, a survival guide. You have the game pieces right here. And of course, this is already open, but you can see here are numbers, character pieces, the item cards. We have the character cards and plaques, as long as other pieces that you'll need for the game. These are the clips for the stats on the character cards. And this is all of the maze or setting of the game, these little boards right here. So all the rooms are connected using this. And you had the dices. So a lot of pieces included with the set. Definitely something you should consider is maybe getting a plastic bag to wrap these pieces up, because there are a lot of small pieces that could get lost if you're playing this game multiple times. Especially these pieces right here, these clips are easy to lose. And all these little pieces as well that could be easily lost. And yeah, this is pretty much the whole entire set for Betrayal at House on the Hill. A lot of stuff, very fun game. Enjoy.